You were a member of a space exploration mission, sent to a distant planet to search for signs of life. The journey was long, but the team was excited to finally reach their destination. But as soon as the spacecraft landed, things took a turn for the worst. The planet was not what they had expected. It was a frozen wasteland, and the spacecraft crash-landed. As you wake up from the crash, you find yourself trapped inside the survival capsule of the spacecraft, with a few cuts and bruises, but thankfully, you're alive. Assessing the state of the capsule. We have sustained minor injuries. Checking the capsule's systems to evaluate the damages and necessary repairs. Checking available resources around the capsule to evaluate our survival options. Stay calm and follow my instructions to ensure your safety and survival. Checking space shed perimeter. Check completed. No hostile life forms detected. Adjusting temperature and humidity in the survival capsule. Adjustment completed. Monitoring your sleep state. In progress. Lighting adjustment in the survival capsule. Lighting adjusted for appropriate sleeping conditions. Activation of air regulation function for healthy and comfortable breathing. Activation of heating, cooling function to maintain optimal body temperature. Activation of motion detection radar to detect any movement around the survival capsule. Activation of security alarms to notify you of any unauthorized movement. Activation of security communication for you to reach me in case of need. Activation of automatic clocking function for the survival capsule for added security. Warning. Alien presence detected. Locking down the survival capsule and activating all security measures. Do not attempt to make contact with the unknown entity. In order to protect the crew and the survival capsule from the unknown entity, I will activate the electromagnetic field. This will create a barrier around the capsule that will prevent the entity from getting too close. The electromagnetic field will also interfere with the entity's communication and navigation systems, making it harder for it to locate the capsule. The crew should remain inside the capsule and follow my instructions until further notice. Electromagnetic field activated. I can confirm that the perimeter around the survival capsule is safe. The alien presence that was detected earlier was determined to be non-hostile and no immediate threat to the crew's safety. My sensors detect an approaching freezing cloud. Make sure you are well hidden under your comforter. I need to perform further analysis on the nature of this thermic variation. Sending of analysis probes. Analyze the data. This wave is composed of A-type ionizing particles. It will produce in you a state of vibration, which will refill you with positive energy. take a deep breath. Temperature, minus 20 degrees Celsius. Temperature, minus 25 degrees Celsius. Temperature, minus 31 degrees Celsius. Temperature, minus 40 degrees Celsius. You are safe. You are safe. Relax and take a deep breath. Relax and take a deep breath. Remember, you are safe. The survival shuttle is designed to withstand extreme conditions. Relax and enjoy your comfort. I have detected incoming communication. I switch it on the speakers of the shuttle.
Stranded spacecraft. This is the rescue team. We have received your distress signal and have been tracking your location. We are currently en route to your location and will arrive in approximately 12 hours. Stranded spacecraft. Please confirm your current status and the condition of the crew. Please provide us with any additional information about the condition of the spacecraft and any necessary repairs. We will continue to monitor your communication and provide updates on our estimated time of arrival. Please stay safe and stand by for further instructions. Over.
End of transmission. I need to perform additional tests on your health status. For this, I will use the theta wave scanner. Test of the left audio channel. Test of the right audio channel. Lineal channel test. Starting the sequence. Theta waves being broadcasted.